guys, it's Megan from the Butterbean Shop. I'm here to make another soap for you today, another cold process soap. And today we'll be making something called a soap called Crush on You, and it's going to be scented with Icy Shine from Nature's Garden. And this fragrance is so pretty. It's a very pretty fruity floral fragrance. And if you haven't known, this is going to be part of my Nothing But Love collection. It's my Valentine collection. If you haven't noticed, my Valentine collection is kind of sweet, fruity, floral. So I'm going to keep up with that theme and make this soap. It's going to be a kind of like a baby blue type soap. And the base is going to be colored with Tropical Teal from Nurture. And I'm going to lighten it up with some titanium dioxide. I have Cosmic Carolyn here. And I have some Purple Vibrance. Also, I have piped these little roses with cold process soap. So these little roses here, these will go on top of the soap. Okay, so I'll go ahead and get started by mixing up my additives and my oils. Now my oils, it is kind of cold in here, so my oils, my hard oils, have kind of solidified at the bottom. So I'm just going to take my stick blender and kind of make sure I get everything well incorporated. Turn this up a little bit, turn it down low because I was making lotion, but now I'm making soap. So I'll turn it on high. You guys know what? I forgot to get my milk. So let me get my milk out the microwave. I heated it up just a little bit because it was cold. I keep my milk in the refrigerator, of course. And it was cold, so I just heated it up just a little bit to take the chill off. Just for about 20 seconds. So let me go ahead and pour in my milks, which is coconut milk and goat milk. So I'll go ahead and get that in there. Oh, and then my additives were colloidal oatmeal and white kaolin clay. So I'll go ahead and give this a blend. Now that this is well incorporated, I'm going to add my lye solution now. And my lye solution is aloe vera juice, Tessa Silk, and sodium lactate. Let me scrape out this. I made this a couple of days ago, so it has a little bit of lye at the bottom that I'll make sure I get in here. Okay. All right. So I'll bring this up to an emulsification. That looks good. I don't want to over mix. I'm going to mix more when I separate my colors out. So I'll go ahead and pour my colors. I didn't necessarily know if I wanted to do an in the pot swirl or a hanger swirl. I think I might go ahead and do a hanger swirl because I think that's what I'm leaning towards. I've learned in this soaping kind of, in this soaping world, or my soaping experiences, to go with my first instinct. Because sometimes when I overthink or I second guess myself, my second design or whatever I had in mind comes out looking so much worse than what if I would have done it, you know, gone with my first instinct. So I'll go ahead and split these out. I don't want a ton of colors. I want it more to be blue. But we'll go ahead and get this. ahead and pour in my fragrance. And this fragrance is supposed to be very well behaved. Do I see a little bit of ricing? I think I see a little bit of ricing in here, so I'm going to take my stick blender and blend up. Yeah, I see a little bit of ricing in these. Just a teeny bit. And the one thing that I hate, you guys, I hate ricing. It's the worst. It will totally mess up the texture of your soap. It'll come out looking, it won't be smooth. It'll be lumpy. And I don't like that. So I'm going to give all of these a little buzz just to knock off the ricing. There goes Sayla. Okay, so now we'll get to pouring. All right, I'm going to use my double mold from Workshop Heritage.
Right now, I'm just looking at how you do this stuff.
Okay, and I'm going to pour my blue-green in first. Make sure you're in here. You have a good view. This is Megan from the Butterbean Shop. Welcome to the cutting of Crush on You. I made this soap a couple of days ago. It's still kind of soft. Here is one of the loaves that I've gone ahead and cut in. You know, I sliced the loaf in half. I'm very interested to see what it looks like on the inside. I kind of messed up when I split the mold, or not split the loaf. I don't know how I did that. I've never done that before, but these two little soap bars will be mine, so I'll cut those, but the other ones are fine. So I'll go ahead and get started by cutting them. I love this soap. I'm obsessed with this fragrance. This Icy Shine is just so gorgeous. I should have gotten it a long time ago, but I'll go ahead and start cutting. I love the colors. I love the colors. Now, when I noticed that my camera wasn't recording when I was putting the flowers on. I hope it was, but I don't know. I haven't gone back to look yet, so we'll see. Oh, and this Cosmic Carolyn, sometimes it morphs, but it will go back to pink. Right now it looks yellow, but I'm liking the wispy swirls so far. So far, I like it. I like it a lot. So, yes, this Cosmic Carolyn, I've noticed with a few of the fragrance oils that I've used, that it morphs into like a orangey, yellowy color. But then once the air hits it, it turns back to pink. So I think that's what has happened here, because the outside is pink. So, matter of fact, I know that's what's happening because I can see it turning pink as I speak. So I'll go ahead and finish cutting, and then if I don't bring you guys back in, thank you for watching the video, and if you like what you have seen, please go ahead and click the like button, and if you want to see more videos, please go ahead and click the subscribe, and if you want to be notified of when I upload a video, go ahead and hit the little bell. So you can see everything that I'm going to start filming when I make bath bombs and lotions and stuff. I just haven't done that yet, but it is my goal to do that. So if that's what you want to see, go ahead and click that subscribe and that bell. Okay, and until next time, take care.